Alright, what's up everybody? Today we've got a broken Civic. We're going to try and get back on the road. It's got a pretty bad knock right now, and just a little beater car. I'll put in a clip right here of what it sounds like. Keep on coming. It's don't really know if it's going to be savable, but that's what we're going to find out today. So first thing we're going to do, if we're going to get it up in the air, verify that it is a bearing, and then go ahead and pull the oil pan and start tearing into it. Alright, so I did a quick inspection, and the starter's not hanging out or anything weird like that, or flex plate bolts halfway backed out or anything. So went ahead and started draining the oil, and we did find some pretty big chunks in there. So we it might take a little bit more to fix it than just sliding a new bearing in, but we'll go ahead and pull the exhaust off and drop the pan and really see what we're working with. So now we just got to take off this bracing here and then all the oil pan bolts. Oh, there's chunks in it. Oh God, that's a fucking bolt. I'm gonna get y'all some light. Let's see what's happening here. So we're gonna pull this off, and I guess we're gonna pull that rod right there that's missing the nut on the cap. So we'll pull that off and see what else we find. Alright, we got all the bolts and everything out, so now we're just going to pull this piece out. There you go. Alright, so looks like a crank bearing spun as well. So that's not good. Now here's our main problem though. So that's not good. What we found out is, I don't know if y'all can see that, but all the threads are gone off our rod bolt here, and it's actually bent also, so it's not letting the rod cap come off. So unfortunately, with the rod cap being stuck on like it is, we're not going to be able to fix this with the engine still in the car. So we're kind of stuck right now, at a little bit of a standstill, figure out what we're going to do. Alright, so my little brother needs this car to go to work tomorrow. So since we don't have all the parts and everything that we're going to need to fix this, we're actually just going to take all the suspension off of this and put it on the stance car, so he can just drive that for a while. we'll probably just like set the pan back on this and get it down on the ground, and then we'll do a suspension swap real quick and get him going in this car. Gonna get this rear swapped over first, so I'm just gonna set up a time lapse while we do this. Got all that out of there. All right, we got this car all the way back to stock. Got the cut up suspension on here now. Sorry about the fan noise, but we'll get lowered down. That's not good. This side's got a different offset, so it's fine. All right, he's taking it out for a test drive. So this is what this car ended up looking like. So that's going to be all for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Peace.